Hello and welcome to my Pikzels AI free trial video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get your Pikzels AI free account without giving your credit card detail. So for this, all you need to do is just click on the special affiliate link given in the video description. When you will click on the link given in the video description, then it will take you to the Pikzels website, which will look something like this. From here, you can click on this start creating button, which is showing in the top right corner. You can click on it and you can sign up with your Google account, or you can sign up with Discord account, or you can sign up with your Apple account. So when you will sign up for Pikzels AI, then you will see a dashboard like this. From here you can generate your first thumbnail for free. So you can use this free account for testing purpose, so that you can decide whether Pikzels AI is worth your money or not. Okay, so here as you can see, there are lots of options in front of you, like you can recreate any viral thumbnail, you can create thumbnail with the prompt, and you can analyze your existing thumbnail, and there are lots of options. So as you can see, I have created a thumbnail with the prompt, and I have added my face in this thumbnail with its face swap feature, and the prompt is man hanging from a helicopter above a city, soft face, dramatic height, cinematic YouTube thumbnail. And as you can see, Pikzels AI has generated this amazing thumbnail for me. It is looking just amazing in my opinion. And you can also check the score of your thumbnail. So this score is 85, so I don't need to do anything. It is a perfect thumbnail based on virality, clarity, idea, curiosity, and emotions. Okay, so as you can see, I have created one more thumbnail with the help of Pikzels AI. Prompt is man looking inside an open suitcase filled with glowing gold, stunned expression, dramatic lighting. And as you can see, Pikzels AI has generated this thumbnail for me. So in this way, you can create your free account and you can test Pikzels AI for free to decide whether Pikzels AI is worth your money or not. I wanna remind you once again that if you want to try Pikzels AI for free, then you can click on the link given in the video description, and after that you can visit this website and click on this start creating button, and you can sign up with your Google account or Discord account or Apple account to test Pikzels AI for free. If you found my Pikzels AI free trial video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful videos like this.